Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shehzad, and today we are going to discuss about the TULIP Summer School Program 2025. So the registration is now open. The 13th edition of the International TULIP Summer School Biological Interaction, each from Genius to Ecosystems, will take place from 21st June to 27th June 2025 in the French Pyrenees at Germ. The summer school organized by LabEx TULIP. So summer school welcome 25 candidates each year. The summer school is open to doctoral students 15 places, master students 5 places and post-doctoral research 5 places. Selected candidate will have the opportunity to actively participate in the development of a team research project proposal in these scientific field, meet senior and junior. So the travel cost to and from Toulouse are not covered by TULIP. We do not offer scholarship to cover these costs. The summer school is a business trip for training purpose, so you can ask your laboratory university to cover this cost or apply for various mobility grant. We don't ask you to have the funding at the time of application, but it is a requirement in April. If you don't have the funding, we will offer the place to another candidate. So travel costs will not be covered. Applications are open. You can apply until 7 March 2025. So click on this application link. Firstly, you have to put your email here. Applicant should be engaged in a master degree in biological ecology in the preparation of a PhD thesis or recently graduate or postdoctoral research. This event will be held in France. So LabEx TULIP will cover the cost of attending the summer school, transport and full accommodation. TULIP does not cover the travel cost of selected participant to and from Toulouse. Food is also covered by the TULIP. So go to next option. So this is officially application form for this program. So you have to put your last name, first name, your gender here, date of birth, phone number, email address, then same like go to next option. So my dear friends, I'm not going to apply for this program, but hope so you understand how you can apply for this scholarship opportunity. If you are currently master, doctor or post doctor students, then you can apply for this program. So avail this opportunity and also share this video with your friends and circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.